You can make a lot of money on your website, blog or YouTube if you are willing to put in the work. According to this video, you can make over $1,200 monthly by working for 10 to 18 minutes daily. That's great. But remember, you have to be willing to put in the time and effort to make it happen. On this video, I will show you how to drive massive amounts of traffic to your website, blog, or YouTube channel. This is not just any traffic, but high-quality organic and targeted traffic that comes from different countries, such as the United States, United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. You can do this from anywhere in the world without any issues, and best of all, it is free. Means you will not pay any money or buy anything from anybody before you can do it. All you need to do, like I have said, is for you to watch this very video from beginning to end. If possible, watch it 2 to 3 times before implementing the secrets. Don't skip any part of it and you will be amazed you did if you follow the step-by-step on this video. But before I start, welcome to Trend Media Tech, where I teach how to make money online and related topics in a smart, simple, fast and legitimate way. Make sure to subscribe to this channel and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video on how to make money online and other related topics, you will be the first to be updated and you will start making things happen. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up, and if you ever have any concerns, questions or opinions about the video and any other things you may want me to know, don't hesitate to comment down below and I will respond to you as soon as possible. Now let's get started. Here are 3 free traffic sources that have a combined reach of over 30 million visitors a month. So the first traffic source that I've got for you today is Flipboard.com. Let's check out the similar web stats. The global rank is 9,452, country rank USA 4,815. If we have a look at the traffic overview, it is consistently getting over 7 million a month, and okay, it's dipped down slightly in the last 30 days or so, but it is still an epic source of traffic if we use it in the right way. We can see that 47% of the traffic comes from the United States, 7% from Canada, 5% from the UK, 3% from France and 3% from Germany. So this is very profitable traffic. If you're running CPM ads, AdSense, that kind of thing, then you should see an increase in your earnings with all things being equal. So, let's have a look at the traffic sources. 65% is direct, 23% from search engines and 1% from social. Let's see how much of that search traffic is organic. 100, that's really good for you, because organic traffic is loyal traffic. Then not much happening from social media, just 1.5%, but Facebook sending 45, followed by Twitter, YouTube, Pocket and LinkedIn. So let's go and check out Flipboard. It says get informed, get inspired, stories curated for you, so there are a wide range of niches represented on here. So, for example, well, let's go check out these. In this search field, you can see all the different topics that are currently trending on the platform. But if we go, let's say marketing, check this out. Even with a broad term like marketing, we have these sub-niches, these sub-areas of marketing, so there's a lot of content on here, lots of room for you, so you can get featured on here as well. I'll show you how to do that in a second, but first take a look at what type of content performs well. So take the time to explore the website, make sure that your content is somewhat suited to already exist on the platform. Did you notice some pretty big names on here? Like Adweek, but we also have smaller publications as well, so you don't have to be a well-known figure in your space to get on this website. So if it looks good to you, go ahead signing up for a free account. I'm going to log into mine now. When you sign up, it's going to ask you to personalize your feed by choosing 3 hashtags, then click continue. Now once you're all signed up, if you want to bookmark links and content, click this pen icon. And now you can create a magazine, so think about the topics that you create and create a magazine that's relevant to that. So we might go with email marketing and then give it a good description. Have a think about the relevant keywords, so email marketing content, and then we want to make sure that this is public, so everyone can see your magazine. Click save, and now you can add links and post comments to that magazine. So that's one way to use it, and that magazine will be accessible to the public, so it's not hidden behind anything. So that's one way to use it. But here is another way, because we have this publisher sign up form. So go to flipboard.com publisher_sign up, then give it a publisher name. So I might go with just my name, or I could choose one of my brands. And once you confirm the email, take the time to read all this. I'm not going to read it out for you. Then give your new magazine a title. So I could go Trend Media Tech, and then maybe say digital marketing tips for bloggers, affiliate marketers and entrepreneurs. Click save, and now I can add the RSS feed. So how do we find your RSS feed? So if you have a WordPress website or a self-hosted WordPress website, then put in your domain name /feed, just like I'm doing right now, so that you can see my website address /feed, and that is because my website is run on WordPress. Then I click save, and now the team will review the submission and then update the publisher status if it's accepted. Flipboard also has a publishing queue section, so they're going to give you lots of data and information to use and familiarize yourself with the process and what they expect from you as a publisher. Remember, this is free, so the amount of people submitting RSS feeds is going to be enormous, so only submit your best stuff. But before I continue to show you the step-by-step guide, don't forget to subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell, so that whenever I upload a new video, like I have said, you will be among the first people to see it and use the secrets therein before other people benefit from it. Also leave a comment for any of your concerns, opinions and questions, and I will get back to you as soon as possible. The next one is news360.com. Now this is an app. It's available for Android and iOS, but we can use the web interface to submit your website. So if we want to really get a good picture of how many people are using this app, well, unfortunately the information isn't really publicly available via SimilarWeb. However, I do know that at least 7 million Android users have it installed, and the figure is going to be very similar for iOS users. Let's take a quick look at the activity on the Play Store, so we can see that by category news and magazines in Canada it's very popular. It's number 178, and if we have a look at the last 30 days, so this is just this month, we can see that overall activity is pretty high, and it looks like it's decreasing across the month, but that's normal because if we have a look at the actual Google Play rank, we can see that it is pretty high. There you go. Now when it comes to the iOS version, we don't have a lot of data to go on. I don't think Apple was making that information publicly available to SimilarWeb, but trust me, this is a powerhouse. I use this for traffic myself. I know exactly how much traffic you can get from it. It's a good platform, so go to news360.com and then you can go to the Publishers tab and then sign up, then fill out the form and create your account. You should be good to go. However, if you run into any problems, go to the Get in Touch section and send an email to publishers of news360.com. Now I think that's how I got on there, because when I signed up I think there was a problem with the form. So the next one is getpocket.com. The global rank is 3,500, country rank United States 2,500, and it consistently gets over 15 million visits every month. Check this out. It's almost hitting 20 million in recent months traffic by country. Well, 30% from the United States. That's amazing. 7% from Germany, 6% from Japan, 4% from France, 4% from Canada. 83% of the traffic is direct. Not a lot happening in terms of search or sold or social media traffic of that search traffic. How much is organic? 99% is organic, and of that social traffic 44% from YouTube, 20% from Facebook, 11% from Reddit, 11% from Twitter and 2% from LinkedIn. This website is called getpocket.com, and again it's another aggregator. So today we've really been using news and content aggregators that are looking out for websites just like yours. You know, people who feel passionate about a topic and have information that is going to benefit the audiences, the massive audiences on these platforms. You can go ahead and sign in to GetPocket. I'll log into my account so it's really easy to use to add content to your dashboard. Click this plus icon. You can save a URL there, so if I want to save this blog post of mine or just paste in the URL, click add, and now it's going to retrieve the image and some of the copy, and there we go, good stuff. We also have this Discover tab, so you're going to see some of the latest content that it wants to promote here. So we don't have much control over this section, but let me show you something pretty interesting, because if we go back to my account, where is it? So back on your dashboard, scroll down to the footer where you have this Pocket for Publishers section. Click on that, and now you can request access to the publisher's dashboard, so click Request Access. It's going to give you some information to read here, and then scroll down to New Publisher Partners. It's going to have a link here for you to apply. Click on that. Okay, it's a few hurdles to jump over, so fill in this form. So I might put name, my email address, make it profit, trendmediatech.com. I'm going to leave the subject as is so they know what it's in reference to. However, here I'm going to change this slightly, so I'm going to put in my website address, which is trendmediatech.com. Then I'm going to put in my name, Miha. Let's add my name here, my name, and then my affiliation could be editor-in-chief, it could be CEO, it can be really up to you, whatever you decide. And then we remove that bit and then hit submit. But the important thing to note with this and every other marketing strategy is that you have to be consistent, because when you are consistent, you can achieve amazing results like me, who's making millions of dollars online. It has been Trend Media Tech. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Click on the notification bell, like and comment whatever topic you want me to create a video on, and I will upload it as soon as possible. If you want to know the secret of making real money online quick and in a smart way, and you are serious about it, then of course, you need more web traffic. Don't hesitate to leave a comment below, and I will teach you how I got over 30,000 website visitors every day for free. And I will see you in the next video.